Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 7th of March in the year 2025, our system has categorized QQQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.92. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The exchange-traded fund has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since we first recommended hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund lies at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $488.01 be breached, it would initially signal an increased rate of decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 2.07% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of 2.82% to an increase of 6.98%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 21.87%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between an increase of 21.08% and 34.87% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $595.46 and $663.27. Our latest daily update for the QQQ includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for QQQ ETF Price After Friday Trading. The QQQ ETF price experienced an increase of approximately 0.735% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, rising from $488.20 to $491.79. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.65%, reaching a low of $480.53 and a high of $493.25. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.53% over this period. The volume decreased on the last day by 645,000 shares, with a total of 54 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $26.79 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume amidst rising prices may indicate divergence and serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $540.80, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price sits 9.06%, or $49.01, below the 52-week high of $540.80, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. As of March 7th, 2025, the Invesco QQQ Trust, which tracks the Nasdaq 100, is navigating a volatile market landscape characterized by recent corrections and economic concerns. This week, the Nasdaq has seen a decline of over 4%, triggered largely by tariff fatigue. However, analysts are noting that this market pullback could present a prime opportunity for investors to buy the dip, particularly in tech-focused exchange-traded funds like QQQ. The current economic outlook suggests a potential contraction in the first quarter of 2025, but data indicates that fears surrounding tariffs may be overstated, hinting at a short-lived correction. The QQQ ETF has demonstrated strong performance, boasting an increase of 14% year-to-date and an impressive 146% in the past 5 years. Investors are gravitating towards ETFs like QQQ for their ability to provide diversification and exposure to leading technology stocks, including giants such as Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia. With over 50% of its holdings in technology, QQQ continues to attract investors looking for stable growth during periods of uncertainty. The fund's strong performance against the S&P 500 by 443% since its inception reinforces its appeal. In the short term, QQQ could benefit from a rebound as market sentiment improves and investors embrace buying opportunities amidst the volatility. Long term, as technology remains a central pillar of economic growth, QQQ is well positioned to capitalize on that upward trend, making it a strategic investment choice as conditions stabilize. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QQQ a negative rating accompanied by a hold action. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 6, 2025, and so far it has risen nearly 0.75%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even with rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The exchange-traded fund should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term developments. The QQQ ETF shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $497.58 and $520.27. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $488.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $12.72 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.65%. In the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 2.98%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate either a low expectation for the company's future or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ stands at $495.55. If you do not own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ meets its first support level at $488.20. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $463.56, reflecting a decrease of 5.74%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The low relative strength index, measured at 24, somewhat mitigates this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified just 1 day ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? The QQQ ETF exhibits several negative indicators, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it could also be viewed as a hold or accumulation opportunity at this time, while we await further developments. We have revised our assessment of this ETF from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate position since our last evaluation. Based on our analysis of volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 10th of March, we anticipate that QQQ will open lower by $3.27, starting at a price of $488.52. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.